Hey, so you want to play guitar? I got you covered. Hey YouTube, welcome to my very first guitar video. By the end of this video, you will know how to play a simplified version of Knocking on Heaven's Door. We are going to be going over string names, a brief description of tuning knobs, a brief description of frets, and learning the chords G, D, and C. But before we get into that, I want to mention that I stream on Twitch. If you want to catch me live and ask me questions that I can show you in a live setting, or you can join the Discord where I can answer you almost any time of the day, but I might not be able to show you on camera. But either way is a great way to get a hold of me if you have any questions about anything we're talking about today. So now let's get started. We got strings. The way I remember it is through the anagram. Is that an anagram? Anagram. I don't know. But anyway, it's Elvis always delivers good burgers every day. So E A D G B E. And to tune it, I might do a whole video on tunings, but basically just download any guitar tuner app on your phone or go pick one up at your local music shop. But then you got these tuning knobs up here, and tightening it makes your pitch go higher, and loosening it makes your pitch go lower. I want to teach you 3 chords, and I'm going to try to keep these videos kind of short. That way you don't lose interest. So I want to teach you G, D, and C today. So we're going to start off with the G. Now there's 2 different ways to play G. I usually put my second finger, my middle finger, on the 3rd fret of the low E, my first finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and this is where it gets different. Some people play with their 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the high E and just have that shape. But what I typically do is I'll have my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B and my pinky on the 3rd of the E, high E. So let me get you a close-up shot of that chord shape. For this chord, once you get the shape down, you're going to strum all the strings, and that'll get you your G. All right, and the next chord will be a D. Put a diagram at the bottom. First finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the high E, and 3rd finger on the 3rd of the B. So you got this shape. And when you're holding your chords, you want to position your thumb where you feel most comfortable with the curl of your fingers, but you're also not like accidentally hitting other strings unintentionally with your other fingers. So this is the D chord. And the last one I'm going to teach you in this lesson is the C chord, which is first finger, 1st fret of the B, 2nd finger of the on the 2nd fret of the D, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A. So let's give you a close-up of that chord. And you strum, also with the D and this one, you don't strum the very low E. So when you put all that together, and it will take you some time to get these chord changes down, I'm teaching chords first because that's how I learned. And if you can do major chords and stuff, everything else will come so much easier. So we're going to go start off at the G, D, C, and then back to G, D, and those three chords will get you playing Knocking on Heaven's Door, which is the very first song I ever learned how to play on the guitar. And it's just those three chords over and over again. So, Mama, take this badge from me, 'cause I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Now, I didn't talk about um, how to hold the pick, mostly because that is a little less important right now. And I'm going to do a video on that to itself on how to hold the pick. But basically, just to give you a rundown, when I first started, I held the pick like this. But now I hold the pick like it's a car key. The main point is that while you're playing just regular chords, holding it like this is fine, but getting used to holding it like this will help you in the future, and I'll explain that more in another video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the links in the bottom below for how to get a hold of me if you have any questions. Stream on Twitch Monday and Saturdays. I stream on Twitch Monday and Saturday, unless I have to work second shift, in which case I will post an update on my Twitter about it. Also, join the Discord. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me, just in general. I'm very active on there. And we will see you in the next video, which we will be discussing pick holding techniques and strumming techniques and learning another song using the same three chords we learned in this video. See you later.